Good morning, students. How are you all? This is the lecture for class 2nd, subject English Grammar, in which I am taking lesson 1, alphabetic order, and lesson 2, sentences. So this is your revision lecture, and these are the lessons which I am taking from PC Wren's grammar book. So I welcome you again in this revision session. As you know that you are also going through the online classes. बच्चे अब आप लोगों की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस भी शुरू हो गई हैं. एंड आई होप फ्रॉम द ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आप लोगों को बेनिफिट हो रहा होगा. सो बिफोर बिगनिंग दिस लेक्चर आई विल just show you the contents which I am taking in this lecture. So the contents are: what are alphabets and alphabetic order. In this lecture I will tell you कि alphabets क्या होते हैं और alphabetical order क्या होता है. How we can arrange words in alphabetical order. अगर आप लोगों को बहुत सारे words दिए गए हों तो आप उसको alphabetical order में कैसे arrange करेंगे. This will I am going to tell in this lecture. यह मैं आपको इस lecture में बताऊंगी. Then we will move to definition of sentences. How we arrange words to form sentence. और हम words को कैसे arrange करते हैं एक sentence बनाने में. Difference between telling and asking. और हम करेंगे कि telling और asking आपको कैसे पता चलता है कि ये sentence टेलिंग कैटेगरी में आएगा और कौन सा सेंटेंस आस्किंग कैटेगरी में आएगा. सो दिस वी विल डिस्कस इन दिस पर्टिकुलर लेक्चर. यू हैव टू टेक केयर एंड यू हैव टू जस्ट recall all the things regarding alphabetic order and sentences. As you know, we have already done these two chapters earlier. हमने पहले भी ये चैप्टर कर चुके हैं. We have done the assignments regarding it. I have taken the test of it. But this is the final revision of term 1. So those students जिनका work complete नहीं है, they will complete their work in the book and टू गेट द बेटर नॉलेज, अच्छी नॉलेज के लिए बच्चे आपको ये असाइनमेंट्स भी अपनी नोटबुक में करनी है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ लेट मी शो यू द अल्फ़ाबेट्स. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So these are the alphabets and they are in order. ये alphabetical order में भी हैं. So we have recall the alphabets and their order. हमने alphabets भी recall किए और उनका order भी. Now let me show you the chart in which the alphabets are in uppercase as well as lowercase, and the regarding word is also over here. Like A, with A the word becomes apple. B, C, cat. D, dolphin. E, elephant. F, fish. G, giraffe. H, house. I, ice cream. J, jelly. K, kite. L, ladybird. M, mouse. N, nerd. O, octopus. P, pig. Q, queen. R, rocket. S, snake. T, teddy bear. U, umbrella. V, vase. W, whale. X, xylophone. Y, yo-yo. And Z, zebra. So I hope you came to know all the alphabets, whether they are in smaller case and upper case, and even the words are also given. Suppose if I bingle them, I just pick any 5-6 words and give you. Are you able to arrange those words? I think you are able to arrange because the alphabetical order is here, and if I bingle up तो आप अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर के अकॉर्डिंग ही उन वर्ड्स को अरेंज कर लेंगे. लेट मी शो यू वन मोर थिंग, that your alphabets are divided into vowels and consonants. Vowels A, E, I, O, U and rest are consonants. बाकी सब क्या रह गए हमारे पास? Consonants. Total 26 alphabets are there. 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. This we will discuss in lesson 7, in which we will discuss about the articles. Let me show you an exercise. Write these words given below in alphabetical order in the space provided. So I solved this particular exercise for you and I will show you the answer of it. In the first one, just, any, could, take. So A comes first, any. C comes second, could, then just and then take. In the second one, duck, then give, then open, then top. I hope you understand कि आपको कैसे अरेंज करना है. आपको फर्स्ट जो लेटर है किसी भी वर्ड का वो फाइंड आउट करना है कि विच विल कम फर्स्ट. जो पहले आएगा उसका ऑर्डर भी पहले आएगा. लाइक एवरी, फ्रॉम, हर, वॉक. In the next, bed, kite, old, them. And in the last, had, leave, please, so. I hope you understand how you arrange these particular words. Now let me show you the answers of the particular exercise which we have discussed just now. Any, could, just, take. Duck, give, open, top. Every, from, her, walk. Bed, kite, old, them. Had, live, please, so. So like this you have to arrange them according to the alphabetical order. Now let me show you the exercise which is given in your book. Exercise 1. These words below are not in alphabetical order. Arrange the words by numbering as 1, 2, 3 and so on. So most of the students have done this exercise, that number 1 bird, number 2 house, number 3 is kangaroo, number 4 nest, 5 wool, 6 scarf, 7 umbrella and 8 wool. Like this, according to the first alphabet, we will arrange them in alphabetical order. I hope you understand. और जिन बच्चों ने ये वर्क बुक पे नहीं किया है, those students have to complete this work in their book. Now जिन बच्चों ने ये बुक में वर्क कंप्लीट नहीं किया है, those students have to complete. उनको बुक में ये वर्क पूरा करना है. Now let's proceed to the second exercise. Arrange the words given in the box in alphabetical order. Here the words are given as we have done earlier also. I just recall this. You can see B come first, so book will come first and you can write in the given space book. Then after B, C will come, then classroom, then D will come desk, then P will come pencil, then S will come school, then T will come 6. That 6th one is teacher. Like this you have to do it in alphabetical order. Let's proceed to the exercise 3, in which you have to arrange the words which are given in the box in the order which is 1, 2, 3. So you can see A come first, so 1. After A, R will come first, 2. Then T will come top, 3. So 3, 1, 2. Okay. Now first F, then P, then sit. Then first one C, cat, then dog, then fox, then cub, then rat, then sun. Accordingly, you have to do it in your book. Then first is B, boy, dad, and then mom. Then hit, pot, and run. So I think you are able to do the exercise, and you have to complete this exercise in your book. Now this is the exercise 4 which you have to do in the book. Arrange the words in the given box in alphabetical order. First is Sunday, Monday, December, Friday, July, April, Wednesday. So you have to find out which alphabet will come first. So you can see A will come first. So we will write April first. Then D will come December. Then F will come Friday. Then J will come July. Then M will come Monday. Then which will come? Tell me. O. O will come October. And then S will come Sunday. And then W will come Wednesday. So you have to do this exercise accordingly. I hope you understand. और बेटा अगर फिर भी कोई confusion है, you are welcome to ask me in the online class. Now, here is an activity given. Write the words from the word pond in alphabetical order. Here is a word pond. Different words are given over here. So you have to arrange these words in alphabetical order and write in the space provided. Most of the students have done this work. Those who have done, to practice, you have to do it yourself. Okay, let me help you. You have to find out the first word. E, B, Y, F, H. बेटा जो भी अल्फ़ाबेट अकॉर्डिंग पहले आता है, अल्फ़ाबेटिकल में पहले आता है, वो वर्ड आपका यहाँ पहले आ जाएगा. लाइक B is the word which come first. तो फर्स्ट वर्ड हम यहाँ क्या लिख देंगे? बोट. So accordingly you have to find out and write in the space provided. Now I hope you understand that how you can arrange the words in alphabetical order. Now in the series is, the second chapter is sentences. So let me tell you the definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words that has complete meaning. कि एक शब्दों का समूह है जो कि जिनका की कोई मीनिंग निकलना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि शब्दों का समूह है और उनका मीनिंग नहीं निकलेगा. अगर उनका मीनिंग नहीं निकलेगा तो दे आर नॉट सेंटेंस. और आपको क्या ध्यान में रखना है? वी ऑलवेज बिगिन अ सेंटेंस विद कैपिटल लेटर. हमें सेंटेंस हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से बिगिन करना है. एंड एंड विद इट अ फुल स्टॉप और क्वेश्चन मार्क. और हमें उसको कैपिटल लेटर से बिगिन करके एंड में फुल स्टॉप या क्वेश्चन मार्क ज़रूर लगाना है. अगर हम नहीं लगाएंगे देन ऑल्सो दैट इज़ नॉट अ सेंटेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एम आई बॉय. अब आप देख रहे हैं ये ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स है बट नॉट अ सेंटेंस. सो वी विल मेक अ सेंटेंस. आई एम अ बॉय. ए मैंने इसमें वैसे ही ऐड कर दिया है फॉर द फॉर्मल बीइंग. सो फुल स्टॉप एम आई बॉय क्वेश्चन मार्क. बेटा यहाँ ए भी आएगा. एम आई अ बॉय. ओके. द सेकेंड वन फ्लाई कैन बर्ड. So these are the words which are bingle but they have no sense. इसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं निकलता है तो ये सेंटेंस नहीं है. Bird can fly. Okay, so this is a sentence. Can bird fly? So this is also a sentence. So I think you understand the example of the sentences. Now again, here is a worksheet which is given over here, which is for your practice. You have to put the tick which is the sentence is right and you have to put cross the sentence which is wrong. And in the second part you have to rearrange the word to make the sentences. Ram the boy. Ram the is a boy. So I think it is wrong. It is a beautiful picture. Yes, it is a sentence. तो आप यहाँ टिक लगा देंगे फर्स्ट वाले पे क्रॉस. द बेबी साउंडली स्लीपिंग वॉज. आपको लग रहा है कि कोई मीनिंग नहीं निकल रहा है, पुट अ क्रॉस. आई हैव बुक्स टू. अब इसका भी कोई मीनिंग नहीं निकल रहा है. So put a cross over here. The boys are playing. So this is a sentence. Tick. That is a bag. सेंटेंस है बट फर्स्ट अल्फ़ाबेट आपका देखिए, दैट इज़ नॉट कैपिटल, सो इट इज़ रॉन्ग. आई द नो आंसर, इट इज़ ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. द डॉग इज़ बार्किंग, इट इज़ राइट, सो यू कैन पुट अ टिक. माई ड्रेस इज़ ब्यूटिफुल, सो this is also a sentence and almost correct, but my is not capital over here, so it is wrong. I like that song, मुझे वो गाना पसंद है, so this is also correct. I hope you understand. Now, long a has cow a tail, so you have to arrange like this. A cow has a long tail. The sun shines in the sky. We are proud of our country. I hope you are getting it. The rose is red. The trees are green. We go to school every day. और आपको क्या ध्यान रखना है, फर्स्ट वर्ड जो है आपका अल्फ़ाबेट जो है वो कैपिटल आएगा, and in the end you have to put full stop. I think you understand this exercise. Now you very well know, as we have discussed that exercise also, and the answers are given in the slide of the B part. A part you are able to do and even we have discussed, and for the B part the answers are over here. A cow has a long tail. The sun shines in the sky. We are proud of our country. The rose is red. The trees are green. We go to school every day. Now I hope you understand the exercise. Let me show you the exercise which is given in your book. Arrange the following words to form sentences. Remember to start a sentence with a capital letter and end it with a full stop. So you have to arrange like that. Nia is my name. My name is Nia. M capital बनाएंगे आप और full stop लगाएंगे. Okay. Then second one. I live in Delhi. Full stop. Then I am 8 years old. Full stop. I go to school. Full stop. I like flowers. Full stop. Okay. I have a nice school bag. Full stop. Now let me show you the solved exercise. My name is Nia. I live in Delhi. I am 8 years old. I go to school. I like flowers. I have a nice bag. We eat food. I go to school. I play football. I write with a pen. Sunday is a holiday. I live with my family. So this is your book exercise which you have to do in your book, जिन बच्चों ने नहीं किया है अब तक. Now it's time for homework. I am giving you worksheet for lesson 1 and 2 and you have to do the worksheet in the notebook. और जिन बच्चों ने बुक कंप्लीट नहीं की है, प्लीज़ बच्चे उनको बुक भी कंप्लीट करनी है साइड बाय साइड. So this is the worksheet which you have to do in the notebook. I am just telling you each and every word. Just look at it. Lip aunt red. Sit pen fat. Cat dog big. Pig hug moan. Mom. Rat son cub. Boy dad mom. Hit pat run. Tub cut butt. Gut big van. Kit with rub. Dig with pug. Jim lug jug. So these are the words which you have to do and which you have to do this particular in your notebook. और आप इस वर्कशीट का प्रिंट आउट निकाल कर भी कर सकते हैं. अगेन देयर इज एक्सरसाइज सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर. आपको इन पर्टिकुलर वर्ड्स को ऑर्डर में कर कर एक परफेक्ट सेंटेंस बनाना है. An email sent my wife me. My wife sent me an email. Like this, you have to do these sentences. You just try it. अगर आपसे नहीं होते हैं तो in the online class we will discuss that how we will solve these particular sentence. These sentences are for practice only. बच्चे ये प्रैक्टिस के लिए हैं. आपके एग्ज़ाम में उतने ही ईजी सेंटेंस आएंगे जितनी आपकी बुक में अवेलेबल है. Now the homework solution. Assignment lesson 1, Mew and Chew, fill in the blanks. Mew and Chew are good friends. The lady threw away the chapati near the back door. Chew reached the chapati first. The monkey tore the chapati into 2 pieces. There are nothing left to divide as the monkey ate the whole chapati. State true and false. Monkey ate the whole chapati. True. The lady divided the chapati. Is it true? Sorry, I have write true, but it is false. The lady was hungry. False. There were 2 monkeys in the story. False. The cats were enemies. False. Write the rhyming word. Bite, right, cat, bat, monkey, donkey, lady, body, good, wood. Answer the questions. Mew and Chew are good friends. Mew and Chew were hungry. The monkey was clever. Fight can never solve problem. So these are the answers of the questions which are given in your assignment and we have discussed in the online classes also. Now for your homework and all that, you have to go to the EDQuark website and you can see your homework and homework solution. And even you have to subscribe EDQuark channel so that जो भी lecture आए आप लोगों को पता चल जाए. You can like the lectures on the EDQuark also. So I hope you have understand this lecture, and if you have any problem, any queries, please note it down and get ready to discuss all the queries in the online session. Thank you. Have a nice day.